I'm going to show you how to make cordage out of honeysuckle bark. First, you're going to want to find a honeysuckle bush and then take the inner bark of the plant. After harvesting some bark, it will look like this. You need to now take the outer bark off of the inner bark because the inner bark is stronger than the outer bark for cordage, but you can still use the outer bark as of starting fires. So what you're going to be wanting to do is just like break up and just peel off the outer bark. And you got to be gentle so you don't rip the inner bark apart. Now with the inner bark, there's two parts a little bit. There's like a whiter, and then there's of the inner bark, and then there's like the outer of the inner bark where it's a little bit tan, and we just want the whiter part because that's nice and strong. So if you move it back and forth a little bit, it opens it up. Then you can peel the inner part right out. So here's the three different separate parts. We have the outer bark. We don't want that. That we can use for fire. And then there's the inner bark stuff. We want this piece, the nice light piece, that's the strongest. When you have multiple strands all ready to go to turning into rope, you can also use this as like medicine, as throw it into some warm water and make some painkiller. So you want to grab two pieces, add them together, twist them right at the top. Some people do it different. I do it with a little knot to start out. Start with a little knot, unloosen it, and go basically away and then pull towards and go back and forth. So simple, push this way, a pinch, and then pull towards you. Push, twist, push, twist. Going back and forth. And very quick, you'll be making rope. Now you want one piece longer than the other, mainly because then you grab another piece and add it and just keep going. So when you have made a nice long enough piece, when you get towards the end, just tie another knot. And then just break off a little extra right there. You basically got a nice long piece of twine. You can like loop this up, and it's like really strong.